Hello, you guys. Caitlin here with Rising Ranks Digital. So excited to talk to you about this tip that has literally saved me a bunch of time and a bunch of money. And it's simple. So if you are like me, you are creating a bunch of content with video and with copy. So, blog posts, social media posts, videos for YouTube, Facebook Lives, all that good stuff. So I am so excited for this. I don't know if you know about this. Most people actually don't. And it is through Google Docs. So go to docs.google.com. You can see the URL up here. And then you're going to create a new blank document. So from here, you're going to go to Tools and you're going to go to voice typing. And when you do that, this is going to pop up right here. And you click this button when you want to start recording yourself. So I can just do this now. I'll try not to get too distracted because I'm looking at it. So what I do is whenever I create videos, I use this. So it literally is picking up everything I say. So I don't need to send it to a professional transcriber. And sometimes they're cheap, sometimes they don't take too long, but typically, if you want to get something done within 24 hours, you have to pay a premium or else you have to wait a few days. So this you get immediately. So, for me, that's everything. And when you are creating a bunch of content, really time is everything. And what I really love to do about this and with this is I typically create a YouTube video or I'll do a Facebook Live and I will record this. And then I take that and I will put it into a blog and I will either put, the YouTube video link in there. So that does two things. So it really helps keep people on your website. And most people, sometimes they can't listen to video at the moment, so they will read it instead. So it kind of gives your consumer both of those options. It also helps with SEO. So whenever you have a blog post, put a video on there because it helps keep people on there, and also have transcription because it helps with your keywords. It helps get you seen on Google. It's just a win-win all around. So I want to talk to you about the pros and the cons. So the cons is that you actually have to stay on this page. So you can't actually do a Facebook Live from your computer and have this open and it do it. You have to do a Facebook Live from your phone. So you can keep this page up, but also the page on your phone. Another thing too is that it won't get punctuation unless you say period, comma, and things like that. Obviously in a video, you're not going to be saying those things because that's awkward and weird, but really just go back in there. And of course you want to format it properly so it looks nice, not just like a big blob of a paragraph. You want to format it so you have some headlines, things like that, and put in punctuation. What I love about this is that it doesn't pick up the ums and the ahs. And that's typically why you send stuff to professional transcribers is A, you either don't have the time to do it yourself, but also they're so great at taking out the ums and the ahs. Typically on your phone and things like that, it's not as good, but this one is one of the best. That is basically it. But again, if you're a content creator and you want to get out there and create more content in less time, this is the tool and the tip for you. And that's all I got, you guys. So if you like this, if you found this helpful, comment, please subscribe to my channel. I love subscribers, and share and let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day, you guys.